Hello guys, today we have to discuss um, different payment methods in WooCommerce. So we will use two, you have to make it correct. So we will use two methods, cash on delivery and bank transfer. So how we will add these two methods? First you have to click on Woo and then you have to click on setting, and inside you will see payments tab. Then you have to manage both the payment methods. How? Let's see in our demo. You can see I am in our dashboard. So you have to click on WooCommerce, then you have to click on city, and you will see this window. So in this window we have discussed journal, product, shipping, and now today we will discuss payments. So you have to click on this. After clicking on payment tab you will see this thing. So in this you have to enable direct transfer, direct bank transfers, cash on delivery, check payment. So we will discuss in this lecture today. We will discuss these two methods. One is direct bank transfer and the other one is cash on delivery. So you have to enable it and then you have to manage. Then you will see this window. In this window you have to, this one is your title, direct bank transfer. You can change it, but I will leave it. And in this you have to add some instruction for customer. Then you have to enter your bank detail. I'm using a dummy data, so you can change it. UBL, that's my bank name, and this one is my account number, and this one is my bank name, United Bank Limited. And then you have to add your sort code, and then you have IBAN. So you have to enter all this data. In your case it should be a valid data, but in my case it is just a dummy data. Then you have to make save changes. Click on save changes. Now we have to see our payment method in our website. Let's suppose I want to add this into my cart and also this one, and then I want to see my cart. Now you can see my cart is updated, flat rate is applied on my product. Now we have to proceed to checkout. Now you can see direct bank transfer is enabled. So I have implemented this method. So if I place order for this, you have to enter your data. I have entered some my dummy data, and then you have to place order. After that you can see thank you, your order has been received. This one is my details, all bank details, bank United Bank Limited, account number, source. So all the details you can see in my screen. So we have learned about the direct bank transfers. So in the second method we will use cash on delivery. How? Now in this case we have to enable this one, cash on delivery. Enable it, and I want to disable this one. Then you have to set up. Now you can see cash on delivery method is enabled. So you have to, this one is your title, and in this case you have to add some descriptions. Then you have to add some instructions for your customer. Then enable for shipping methods. So yes, accept visual order or not, you can check it or not, so it's your choice. Now you have to make save changes. Now again we have to add something into my cart. I want to add this one. I want to see my cart. and inside my cart you will see I have placed my order. One product is added. Now I want to proceed to checkout. Now in this case you can see cash on delivery is enabled. This shipping is 304, subtotal is equal to 100. So I want to place order. Again you can see check my checkout point. Thank you, your order has been received. Order number is this, that is equal to this, and this one is my order detail. Billing address is this one, and this method is pay with cash upon delivery. So in this lecture we have discussed two methods, two payment methods. One was direct bank transfer and another one was cash on delivery.